welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if not, welcome back. Today is part 4 of our clip art series, and it's our final video of this series. We are taking our hand-drawn clip art that we did in video 1, that we digitized in video number 2, that we turned into sticker sheets in video number 3, and in this video, we are taking that and turning it into actual stickers by using our Cricut to print and cut it with Auntie Tay sticker paper, because my sticker paper doesn't jam your printer like Cricut's does, and it does not waste your money, but it does need to be cut on a different setting. So make sure you watch this video so you know what setting to cut it on, and let's get going making our own stickers. If you watch this entire series, you will know how to do these from beginning to end, but each series teaches you a different skill, and they're utilizable. You can use those skills in other areas of your design life. All right, let's go. All right, guys, now that we have our stickers ready to go, we are going to upload them into Design Space like we did in video 3. We're going to use sticker paper. You can get 10 sheets on shopantietay.com, and to cut this, you will need to set your machine to custom and then find copy paper. I like to add copy paper to my favorites just so I don't forget, and it pops up right there when I go to custom settings. Now I printed this with a bleed on it, so you'll notice it has this fuzzy line on the outside. You don't have to do that to save ink, but I'm doing that on both of these just because these are kind of detailed, so I don't want them to get messed up in the cutting process. But you can turn your bleed off on this step if you don't want it on there. The most important step when doing print and cut is making sure that your paper is the right side up. So just look at your mat and decide what direction it goes. It doesn't matter if it's crooked on the mat, it just matters that it's the correct way. So I'm going to use a light grip mat for paper because I don't want to ruin the paper. And then I'm just going to click cut, and the machine is going to do the rest. So it's going to find the registration marks, and then it's just going to cut. I would calibrate your machine with a regular piece of paper if you have not done so. The Cricut tutorials are great for learning how to do that and troubleshoot your machine, so check that out on their YouTube channel. But until then, I'm just going to cut out all these stickers and check out the rest of the series, and if you want more, comment below.